how to enable grid lines in Google Earth. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to view the latitude and the longitude by enabling grid lines in Google Earth? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up a Google Earth app. So, just search for a place and then you can see a square like icon in the top right. Just tap on it and then scroll down and you can see grid lines. Just toggle it on. So that's it. Now the Google Earth will show latitude and longitude lines. There you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.